$100,000. For decades, it was the American dream. In 2026, for millions, it's a mental cage, a statistical lie.
Stop blaming inflation. That's too easy. Blame the propaganda. The system spent years conditioning you to believe that spending equals freedom. Here is a secret. I've seen people making $300K stuck on the same hamster wheel. They don't own their life. They are just leasing it from the bank.
Income doesn't fix a low-income philosophy. You're trying to treat emotional exhaustion with a short-lived dopamine hit. Stop self-medicating.
Tonight, check your last 30 days. If you find more than 5 subscriptions you didn't use comment, found them. The trap is real. Find the way out. Let's do the math the bank hopes you never calculate. After federal tax, state tax, and insurance, your $100K is already down to $70K.
$10 per hour, real profit. But the system needs you to feel rich, so it offers you cheap credit. It's not a tool, it's a leash. You aren't buying things, you're selling your future time.
Every time you swipe for comfort, you're adding another month to your retirement age. You're trading freedom for a leather seat. This is why you feel exhausted. Your job is high status, but your life is high stress. You are a high-earning slave to your own expectations.
The trap is invisible because everyone around you is in it too. If your neighbors are broke in a luxury suburb, you think it's normal. It's not.
Assets greater than appearance. Audit the leaks. There are two paths, the status prison or the quiet wealth. Which way will you go?
The exit isn't a secret door. It's a simple shift in focus. Stop looking at your paycheck. Start looking at your net worth.
Your net worth is the only number that tells the truth. It's what you owe minus what you owe. For most, that number is close to zero.
The first rule, kill high-interest debt. It's a financial cancer that eats your future while you sleep. Destroy it before it destroys you.
Every debt you kill is a chain you break. You aren't just saving money, you are buying back your Saturdays. Building a solid wall of cash is the best way to protect your finances when the storm hits.
Now, the magic happens. Buying assets. Stocks, real estate, or your own business.
You don't need $1 million to start. You need the discipline to start with 100. The gap is called consistency.
She finally understood that true freedom wasn't found in the weight she carried, but in the things she chose to leave behind.
The trap is open. Now walk out, subscribe to master the game, and don't forget to comment, found them below.